When you think about the Microsoft 365 security, it means you have to make use of Microsoft Defender XDR capabilities. And Microsoft Defender XDR needs specific license considering how your organization planning to consume Microsoft 365 services. We have discussed many things around Microsoft Defender XDR in the earlier section. In case you want to revisit the section, please do so. To reiterate, Microsoft Defender XDR unifies your incident response process by integrating key capabilities across Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, Microsoft Defender for Office 365, Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps, and Microsoft Defender for Identity. You can assign any license from the list shown on the screen to the Enter ID tenant and get the XDR capabilities enabled. I have seen most of the organization assign E5, E3 or A5 licenses to the tenant when they are consuming 365 services. But again, this depends on the organization and how big their workload is going to be. For example, some of the small businesses might want to consume only Office 365 apps, and in that case, organization might think that to buy an Office 365 E5 or A5 or Microsoft Defender for Office 365 plan too. They may not need other licenses in that case. You can view the existing licenses assigned to the tenant by visiting the admin portal. The URL is on the screen. You must ensure that you have appropriate privileges to view the data in the admin portal. Once you logged in, you can then navigate to the billing and then licenses and view the assigned license to the tenant. You can also purchase the license by navigating to the marketplace option seen on the admin portal. Once you have the license assigned, you can simply visit the Defender portal and turn on the Defender XDR capability. Note that you must have one of the roles assigned as shown on the screen. This would allow you to set up some of the settings under the settings on the Defender portal. Most likely, you could be security administrator for the tenant when configuring the Microsoft Defender settings. Hope now you got some clarity on licensing consideration and roles that need to be assigned to the user doing implementation.